Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to change your direct deposit information in TurboTax, maybe you switched banks or just need to update your account, this video is for you because today I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to update or edit your direct deposit details in TurboTax to make sure your tax refund lands safely in the right account. So stay tuned till the end. I'll also share a few pro tips to help you avoid refund delays and errors. Let's get started. Access TurboTax. First, open your web browser and go to the official TurboTax website. At the top right corner, click Sign In and log in with your account credentials. If you forgot your password or username, don't worry. TurboTax offers recovery options right on the login page. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your tax information is stored. Navigate to Filing Details. Now, look toward the top of the screen and click on the Federal tab. Within the Federal section, select File from the options that appear. This is where you'll find all your payment and refund related settings. Update payment information under the File section. Look for an option called Your Tax Payment Info and click it. Here, you'll see your current refund deposit details. Review everything carefully. If you've changed banks recently or just want to confirm, double check that the routing and account numbers are still correct. Then, click Continue to move forward. Next, look for the section labeled Direct Debit from your bank account or Direct Deposit. This is where you manage where your refund goes. Enter new details now. Enter your new bank account information, including your routing number and account number. Take your time here. A small mistake can lead to refund delays or even send your money to the wrong account. After entering your new details, double check everything once more before hitting Save or Continue. TurboTax will securely store your updated direct deposit info and apply it to your tax return automatically. And that's it. You've successfully updated your direct deposit information in TurboTax. It's a quick process, but getting it right ensures your refund goes exactly where it should. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick and accurate tax and finance tutorials every week. Drop a comment below if you want me to cover more TurboTax tips or other tax tools next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.